This is the scarifying cylinder that comes standard on the unit. This is the raking attachment, which you can swap out here. All you need is a wrench to remove these two bolts right here. Just pick that up and pull it out. And to attach the new unit, it's exactly the opposite. The semicircular side of this fits in this groove. Slot in the hex part of the shaft first. Press down firmly to make sure everything seats so that this piece doesn't rock. And now we can tighten up our bolts. Make sure everything's nice and snug. And now your cylinder has been replaced.
Use the scarifying cylinder to remove deep thatch and cut into the soil, allowing water to penetrate deeper, encouraging new growth and a firmer, thicker lawn. Use the raking attachment to remove any buildup on the surface of your lawn, resulting in needing to dethatch less often.